Hey there, here is another equation for us to solve, nice and steady. We have 2z minus 6 equals 24 minus z. This one has variables on both sides, but don't worry, we will handle it step by step. First, we want all the z's on one side. Right now we have 2z on the left and negative z on the right. So let's add z to both sides. On the right, negative z plus z cancel out. On the left, 2z plus z gives us 3z. So now we have 3z minus 6 equals 24. Next, we want to get rid of that negative 6. So we add 6 to both sides. On the left, negative 6 plus 6 cancels out. On the right, 24 plus 6 is 30. So now we have 3z equals 30. Now we just divide both sides by 3. 3z divided by 3 is z and 30 divided by 3 is 10. So z equals 10. Let's double check. Plug 10 back into the original equation. Left side 2 times 10 minus 6 is 20 minus 6, which is 14. Right side 24 minus 10 is also 14. Both sides match perfect. So the answer is z equals 10. If this helped, please subscribe and drop a comment with what you would like to solve next. Take care and see you in the next one.